Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can change into dy over dx. So I will put about dx go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, you got about y squared over 2. The integration of cosine x, you got about sine x, and we put about c. Now we have the condition in here. That means when s equals to b over 2, y equals to number 3. So I will put b over 2 cone here and number 3 cone here to find the value of c. Sine of b over 2, you got about 1. This one you got about 9. So I will put number 1 go to the left. And this one you got about 7 over 2. And now we return back to this one. We put 7 over 2 to change for c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.